Hello guys, in today's episode I will read a funny email I received over the weekend, and we could all think about it a bit and see whether user is right or wrong. So if you're interested, so please continue watching. So now let's go. I received the email on August 10 from a user who didn't provide his signature. It came from like luxury foodie. It came with the subject my web. Okay, so the guy, I don't know his name, it's a guy or a girl, I don't know, writes the following. I installed it to test and see the good translations I had. I didn't trust the comments because I saw a lot of negativity. Today, all from without proper capitalization. Today, when I install it, I see that it is disastrous. ... It doesn't have a good translation, and I thought it was good. Spanish to English is a bad translation. I don't want to imagine with the other languages. I feel offended and manipulated by your translator, who is very bad. So, dear user, thank you for writing our support. I tried to email you back asking you what platform are you using. Are you using our JavaScript, Shopify, Weebly, WordPress? Give me more details about your website. I tried to look up your email in our database of registered users. There was no such email. So I have doubts you're even tried to use our product yet. So the email came in pretty randomly, and it accuses us of offering a bad machine translation. So let me break it down and break this myth for you. First of all, machine translation is not the human translation. It is done by the computer using the computer algorithms to compare languages and translate it. There are different ways to do it. Now there's a breakthroughs with the neural machine translation, but it's still the machine translation. And the way we offer the free service, we provide it free of charge to you as a machine translation. Does it want to be perfect for free users? No, it is not. Nothing is perfect for free and instant. You have to. There's a payoff. You want to get better translation? There's an option to either proofread it yourself. We have the interface for self-proofreading, or you can hire our translators from company Translation Services USA. We'll bring you the linguists who we pay per word for each word they translate, and they will do a great job looking at your website, looking at your contents, at the surrounding context, and they will do the appropriate professional translation. Do you understand? So, guys, this is the emails we sometimes getting, and I feel really offended when I'm getting those emails, because to me it seems like users want it first for free and also want to be perfect. Okay, I'm a businessman. What should I do then? Like go and retire, like, and not being able to pay for the server, for the labor, for everybody else? No, it doesn't work like that. You know, if you want something good, you have to pay for it. You upgrade to a business plan, you hire professional translators, and we get some money and you get the benefit. But blaming me that machine translation is not perfect for your Spanish to English version, you know what? This is really offending me. Okay? So that's all for now. All the funny emails I'll be getting that you write to support, the best ones I'll be publishing on this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.